pretty awesome. What's your name?
Tonga.
Tonga?
Yeah.
Rob, how's it going?
Hi, it's very good.
And who's this next to you?
Aurora.
Aurora?
Yes.
Two really interesting names. Aurora, Rob.
Nice to meet you.
Hi there. I'm going to take a wild guess here. You two together? Like dating? Or yes?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to feel awkward if they're not. Okay, good. I actually specialize in romantic magic. I think we could do a little bit of romantic magic for you.
Okay.
How long have you been together?
Almost 10 years.
Almost 10 years.
Whoa, that's a long time. That's a good amount of time to be together.
Yeah.
I want to take you back then to early in the relationship when you guys 10 years ago were going on some of your first dates and learned about each other and held hands and realized you liked each other. All right? So could you hold a hand out right here? I have a 10. I have a 10 of clubs. Aurora, I need you to place your hand on top of that so you're kind of holding hands. Perfect. Remember those first dates? Getting to know each other? Maybe not like this, but I've got a heart here. It's a good card for you to have. I think you should have the heart. I'm not going to try to take your card away. Just tell me, did you feel that? Did you feel that? Did you feel that? Hello. It's a good card. 10 years of love for you two, right? Well, I know that you've been together a long time and you probably have, some pet names for each other, right? I don't need to know them. There's a story there. I'm not going near it.
Because of a war.
Yeah, go ahead. I know this. I know some people I've heard call each other like they're king and queen, and I don't know if you guys have called each other's king and queen, but hey, Tonga, you're here tonight. You got this beautiful view out here with your beautiful lady. You should feel like a king. All right? We're on board for this. This trick's all about you, our king. Take any card you want. Show it to everybody. Don't show me. And then say stop.
Okay.
Just stop anywhere. Put your card back on. There you go. Cool. It's okay. It's all right. I'm going to take one card out of here, invisibly. I'm going to turn it upside down. I'm going to put it back in the deck. Now, if I could do that, that means there's one card upside down in this pack of cards. That upside down card, 5 of spades. I know for a fact that was not his card. Now the 5's an indicator card. It's all right. It's all right. Indicates I was very wrong. Also indicates if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! It's not the cool part. What a surprise! What a surprise! It's not the cool part. Finding the card is never the cool part. I said that trick was all about you, our king. These 4 cards all represent Tonga, our king. Thank you. Thank you. And that brings us to your queen right here.
King Tonga.
King Tonga. Tonga. We've got your queen right here. We're going to talk about your queen. Aurora. I actually made a little prediction about meeting a very compatible couple. You two seem like you're going to work great at this. I'm going to lay 4 cards on the table right here. I won't touch them, okay? Honor system, okay? I made a prediction on one. We'll get back to it in just a minute. There's a prediction I made. I believe I've predicted in advance what you two are about to do, okay? Again, 4 queens. I did something special on one. I'll show you in a moment. I won't touch those, though, so I'm committed to the prediction I made. Tonga just chose the red cards. Aurora, hearts and diamonds. Which one would you like, the heart or the diamond? This is your choice.
The heart.
The heart over the diamond. Love over money. Hey, she's a keeper. No funny moves. I really did predict one card. I thought you'd say the Queen of Hearts. That's why I turned it face up in there before I came. Thank you. Took it out of a totally different deck. And I knew what we would need. That's why I brought that card, but no other cards at all. That's all I had there. Glad that worked out. This is going to seem a little weird, but I'm going to have you both think of a happy memory as you look into each other's eyes, okay? And Tonga, could you close your eyes for a moment? Don't peek. No, I'm not going to do anything funny, I promise. I got a whole table full of people watching me. Aurora, your eyes will stay open, okay? I just want you to imagine this happy memory. We're gonna try to make you guys feel a little more connected, okay? We're gonna take a little bit of this energy here where this memory is from right here. We're gonna lift it, we're gonna place it right over here. It's as weird as it gets, I promise. It's all. One more time, we're just gonna take a little bit of this energy over here. We're gonna place it right here. But we're also gonna do this. Tonga, open up. You weren't peeking, right?
Nope.
Be honest, with your eyes closed just now, did you just feel anything touch you?
Yep.
You did. Be honest, did I touch him?
No.
Did I touch you?
Yes.
Where?
On my nose.
On your nose? Tonga, where'd you feel something touch you?
Nose.
On your nose? And you didn't peek?
No.
I think there's this sixth sense, I think there's a little sixth sense connection here that you two have. Grand finale, and then I'm getting out of here. 10 years together. You've given each other, I'm sure, a lot of gifts along the way in your relationship too. And maybe there's a gift that you'd like to give tonight while you're in Las Vegas. I don't know. I just want you to picture something, okay? Aurora, picture a gift you'd like to receive. I know there's so many choices. Tonga, could you hold one hand out flat there? I'd like you to reach down inside my little empty pouch there and just confirm. I know it's, there you go. All the way in. All right. Just confirm for us. Empty, yes?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to imagine any gift that you'd like to give to her tonight appearing right here and falling into your hand. And I think in that case, you'll know what to do with that.